Tasty and healthy vegetable fried rice without sauce. This fried rice recipe is very simple to make. We need only 30 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. We are making vegetable fried rice without sauce. Instead, we are using grounded paste. For that, in a grinder jar, take 1 tomato cut into pieces, 4 garlic cloves, 1 dry red chilli, 1 green chilli, half teaspoon sugar. Add very little water and grind it into a paste form. Then in a pan take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, keep it low flame. Then add the grinded paste to it. Saute it for 5 minutes on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. Keep it aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Saute it for 30 seconds. Then add half sliced onion to it. Saute it for a minute. Then add 1 cup of chopped cabbage, half cup of chopped carrot, half cup of chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup of chopped beans. We can mix vegetables based on our interest. Also add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on high flame. Since we are making fried rice, we should keep it high flame. After 3 minutes, add previously prepared grinded paste to it. Also add 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala powder. Mix it well. Saute it on low flame for a minute. Now add 200 grams of cooked Basmati rice to it. Also add half teaspoon salt. Mix it very well for a minute on high flame. Then switch off the flame. Our healthy vegetable fried rice recipe is ready. We don't require any sauce for this fried rice recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.